What's the meaning of corpus delicti? Corpus delicti. Corpus delicti.
Corpus delicti. Corpus delicti. Corpus delicti is a Latin term that means body of the crime. It refers to the physical evidence or facts that prove a crime has been committed. It is often used in legal cases to describe the evidence that supports a conviction, such as the murder weapon or a victim's body. Without the corpus delicti, it is difficult to prove that a crime has occurred and to convict someone of that crime. Therefore, it is an essential component of any criminal case, and its existence is crucial in determining guilt or innocence.